In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. We're going to walk through a simple and efficient way to narrow down job listings so you can spend less time scrolling and more time finding relevant opportunities. If LinkedIn feels overwhelming at first, don't worry. Once you know where the main job tools are and how to use the filters properly, the process becomes much easier. To get started, go to LinkedIn and open your main feed. This is the default homepage many people land on after signing in, so it's a familiar starting point. From there, click on the Jobs section. You'll usually find it in the top navigation bar. This takes you away from the regular content feed and into LinkedIn's dedicated area for job searching, where all the main search tools and filters are located. Once you're on the Jobs page, click on Search Now. This opens the main job search view and lets you begin exploring available roles. If you already have a role or industry in mind, this is where you can start refining your results. Next, click on Date Posted. This filter is especially helpful if you want to target the newest listings first. Fresh postings can be valuable because they may have fewer applicants and give you a better chance to apply early. When you use this filter, you're making your search more current and more strategic. After that, click on Experience Level. This is one of the most useful filters because it helps remove jobs that don't match your background. You can choose options like entry level, associate, mid-senior level, or director, depending on where you are in your career. Using this filter saves time and helps you focus on jobs that are more realistic and relevant for you. Then, click on Company and select a company. This step is useful if there are specific employers you want to target. Instead of searching broadly across every listing, you can quickly focus on openings from organizations you already know, trust, or want to work for. It's a great way to make your search feel more intentional. Finally, toggle on Easy Apply. This feature shows jobs that let you apply quickly through LinkedIn, which can make the application process much faster. It's especially helpful if you want to submit multiple applications efficiently. Just remember that even with faster applications, it's still a good idea to review each posting carefully before applying. And that's it. By using the Jobs tab, starting a search, and applying filters like Date Posted, Experience Level, Company, and Easy Apply, you can create a much more focused LinkedIn job search.